Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I am going to do the fourth in my series of one color Dutch pours. This one I am going to use violet. This is a Master's Touch violet. This is a Master's Touch violet that I toned down with a little bit of titanium white. And then I have a Deco Art Dazzling Metallics Amethyst. That's this one. And I have an Extreme Sheen Lavender Frost. That's this one here. So, let me move these over. Put my white down. See if I can be really cool and blow this out. Cover the rest of the canvas. Okay, this time I think I'm going to start with a little bit of the metallic amethyst. I just mixed a little bit of these paints up because I know it's not going to take very much. I'm going to go in with my violet. Some of the, what was this called? Lavender Frost. A little bit more. Nope. I'm going to go in with this medium, medium violet that I mixed up. If we can use up a little more of this amethyst. And some lavender frost, if it will come out of here. Just a couple drops. Flood this with some white. Okay, I see something in there, so I'm going to get that out real quick. Dry piece of paint. Okay, let's give it a torch, get any air bubbles out. And I'm going to put just a little bit of white right here. Oh, it's so pretty. Love it. Love it, love it. See if we have any air bubbles in here. want to blow this out just a little bit. See, that's all soften the edges over here. And the rest of it I like. I think I'll leave it just like that. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, guys. Here you go. Light, lacy, different colors of purple, violet. I don't see too much selling going on in here from the metallics, but that's okay too. I love it. It's so pretty. So there we have it, guys. That's my fourth one that I've done. When I have them all dry, I'll get a picture for you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.